Once upon a time, in a little town nestled between rolling hills and whispering woods, there lived a young boy named Tim, whose imagination soared higher than the highest mountain peaks. One night, while exploring his attic, Tim stumbled upon a dusty chest. Within it lay a mysterious map, bearing strange symbols and markings. With a heart full of courage, Tim embarked on a journey into the Enchanted forest, where the trees whispered secrets and the fireflies danced in harmony. Through thickets and across streams, Tim encountered challenges that tested his wit and bravery. Deep within the heart of the forest, Tim met an ancient owl, wise beyond measure. Guided by the owl's wisdom, Tim unraveled the final secret of the forest, realizing that true magic lies within oneself. And as the night faded into dawn, Tim knew that every bedtime story held the promise of a new adventure waiting to unfold.